students. Now I am going to teach English literature chapter 3 with a little rosebud book exercise. Chapter 3 with a little rosebud book exercise, page number 28 to 31. Okay, then all of you take your English literature book, page number 28. First exercise. Read the sentences and write whether they are true or false. True or false. Then A. The little pink rosebud lived in a dark house under the ground. They are given the bracket it is true. Write down the answer, it is true. The make one column, already column is there, you have to write true. Okay, true means you write first letter T. Then second B, she wanted the rain and the sunshine to enter her house. It is false, you should write F. Okay, then C, she wanted to stay in her house. It is true, you have to write T. D, the rain and the sunshine took her to the top of the ground. It is true, you have to write T. Okay, then E, there was no other flower in the garden. It is false, you have to write F. Okay, first exercise all of you understood? Yes. Then second one, number the following sentences in the right order. Number the following sentences in the right order. You have to write the right order. First one, it is the little pink rosebud was sitting all alone in her house. It is first one, you have to write in the column first. Then second, she heard a little tap at the door. It is the second one. Understand all of you? The last one is the second one. H, she heard a little tap at the door. It is second. Then third, she did not let the rain enter her house. It is 3. Okay. Then 4, she heard a rustling and whispering sound from the window. It is 4. Okay. Then 5, the rain and the sunshine requested together to let them enter her house. It is 5. Then 6, she did not let the sunshine enter her house. It is 6. Then 7, she opened the door. It is number 7. Then 8, she poked her head and reached the beautiful garden. It is number 8. Okay, you have to write the column, the number the following sentence, the right order you have to write the column. Okay, then next one, fill in the blanks with the words which begin with GL. Fill in the blanks with the words which begin with GL. Okay, then you have to start GL. Fill in the blanks, we have to write the GL words. Okay, he is wearing gloves on his hands. He is wearing gloves on his hands. Say the spelling, write the spelling GLOVES, gloves. Okay, then B, a globe is a small model of the earth. Globe. Okay, then C, Gia drinks a glass of water early in the morning. Glass. Then D, they felt glad to meet their aunt. And they felt glad. Okay, then E, glue sticks things together. Then F, I feel glad when I see a rainbow in the sky. Glad. Then G, river Ganga starts from the Gangotri glacier. Okay. First one gloves, second it is globe, third glass, D it is glad, E glue, then F glad, then G glacier. Okay, understand all of you? Then take page number 13. Second, classify the following words in the correct column. Already they have given the answers in the bracket. Then you have to write the given space, you have to write the answer. Okay, then masculine gender, female gender, common gender. Okay, then first one, masculine gender, pull, cock, husband. It is masculine gender. Then feminine gender, heroine, hostesses, then dog. See, heroine, hostess, dog. Then common gender, journalist, parent, a writer. Okay. Then next exercise, take page number 31-2. Use apostrophes to change the underlined words and fill in the blanks. Use apostrophes to change the underlined words and fill in the blanks. Okay, the feathers of the peacock are beautiful. Underline feathers of the peacock. Then the answer is the peacock's apostrophe, it is peacock, then apostrophe yes, then feathers are beautiful. The peacock's feathers are beautiful. Okay. Then second one, the baby pulled the string of the toy. Underline string of the toy. The answer is the baby pulled the toy's string. Toy string. Then toys, you put the apostrophe in the toy. After toy put apostrophe, then s. Okay, toy string. Then C, the bags of the pupils are in the room. Underline bags of the pupils. Then the answer is the pupils bag are in the room. The pupils. After the pupil you put the apostrophe, then write down yes. The pupils bag are in the room. Okay. Then D, the dresses of the dancers are very colorful. The answer is the dancers dresses. Dancer, then put the apostrophe, then you have to write yes. Then dresses, the dancers dresses are very colorful. Okay. Okay, listen all of you. Remaining exercise I will teach you next English literature class. Okay, then today what I taught, all the exercise what I taught today, all the exercise you have to write in your English literature book. What I taught today. Okay, which exercise I taught, you have to write in your English literature book. Okay. Thank you. God bless you.